Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Philips Champion radio, 4-band radio, works in these R20 batteries, these batteries. So the problem with these batteries is, see, you can see this damages the radio, like this battery leaks the acids. So this may harm the radio. Instead of this, I am going to install this rechargeable battery of LG. You can see this is 18650. This doesn't leak the acid as easy as these R20 batteries, and this radio will be rechargeable, and the backup of this radio will be very big. The backup of the radio will increase like anything. This will give almost around 4 days to 10 days of backup easily. I'm not sure even this may give very big backup, because this battery is of 3000 mAh with 3.7 voltage. So the backup of this battery, backup of the radio will be very high. So let's see how to install this rechargeable battery to this radio. This radio will not work because there is no batteries, R20 batteries inside. This is the new radio. I am going to install these batteries. This was taken from some other radio. This is the problem with these R20 batteries. Alright, now I am keeping this separately. Now to install this battery, I am going to take out this back cover. Before taking out this back cover, I have to use this battery management system. This is the BMS which I am going to use this in this battery. So the beauty of this BMS is this will protect the battery and the radio as well. If you can put the charge overnight or 10 days also, you cannot, if you don't remove the charging cable, no problem. This will fill the necessary voltage in this battery, and after this battery is full, the BMS will cut off the voltage to the battery. So without using this BMS, it will be risk, but with this BMS there is no worries of the hours of charging. There is no point of question. You can directly put in the charge and you can leave it for 1 day or 2 days also, no problem. This will fill the battery and will cut off the voltage once the battery is full. Alright, now let's see how to install this BMS. Alright, now there are two leads here. One is negative, this is the negative, and this is the positive. So this BMS, the positive of the battery will go to positive of the BMS here. The red side is positive. It is written here B plus, and the negative of the battery will go to this point, negative of the battery, and these two will go inside the radio. That I will show later. Now I will connect this BMS with this battery. To connect this battery with this BMS, I am going to use nickel plates. Let me show you. So these are the two nickel plates which I am going to use here. So I am going to solder this nickel plate in this battery. Before that, I am going to apply the soldering paste here on the both side and this nickel plate also. Alright, now I have applied the paste here. Let me apply bit of lead here like this, and here as well. That's it. Now it's time to put this nickel. For that also I am going to put some lead here like this. Now before putting this nickel plate here, I am going to install this nickel plate here in this BMS. So I am going to put little bit of lead here in the both side of the BMS. Alright, now it's time to applying the lead to the other side of this nickel plate. So now I am going to keep this for securing this mat. So I am going to just solder like this. You can see, that's it. So this is plus B plus, which will go to the battery plus here like this. I am going to solder here. Alright, this is soldered. Now this side it is pending. This is the minus side of the battery and this is the minus terminal of this BMS. Alright, now it's time to alright, now first I am going to solder here in the battery, the negative of the battery here. That's it, this is fixed. Now it's time to solder in the BMS here. Alright, now just by holding here I'm going to solder this like this. So the technique is just holding this BMS here. That's it. The battery is ready. Now let's see the voltage here before installing in the radio. Let's see through the BMS itself. Here this is the plus terminal and this is the minus. You can see 3.5 volt is already there, need to be recharged. Once the battery is full, this will go to up to 4.2 volts. Now the battery is completely drained. Alright, let's keep these things aside. Battery section is over. Now it's time to take out the back cover of this radio. Let's just unscrew it. So there are two screws here as well. Total 4 screws you have to unscrew it. Alright. So now what we are going to do is keeping like this. So I am going to paste this battery here and I will connect this negative of this battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery. This negative terminal of the battery will go here to the negative of this DC socket, and this positive will go to the positive of the DC socket here, so that once if we connect the DC socket, this will charge the battery as well and it will start working the radio. And even if you remove the DC socket here, there will be voltage here because of the battery, and again this will start the radio to work. So let's start soldering this minus and plus of the battery terminals to this socket from inside. And before that we will paste the battery here or somewhere, whichever is the best position we will place there. And to paste this battery I am going to use epoxy resin A and B, that will hold the battery very strong. Alright, now I have positioned the battery, that is the best place. Now this is the AB resin epoxy. Now mixing this thoroughly. Alright, now this is ready. Let's apply the paste. Here in this corner, this is fine. This will take at least 5 to 10 minutes for touch to dry, and it will this will dry within half an hour, very hard. Alright, now let's put some epoxy here as well. This is more than enough, but still I have the excess glue. I will put here. Alright, now it will take 5 minutes to touch to dry. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Now battery is pasted. You can see it is very strong. I can lift this battery, this case, using the battery itself. You can see it's very strong. Now it's time to solder the wires here. So this black will go here. So negative of the battery is connected. Now it's time to connect the positive of the battery here. That's it. Now the work is done, nothing to worry. Now before closing this cover back, let me see the voltage here. You can see 3.51 is there. So now I will put the cable which I have made for this specially. You can see the cable here. So this is the cable which I have made specially for this radio. This is the DC socket and this is the USB which gives 5.2 volts. This you can connect to any USB adapter or any laptop to charge this battery. So I am going to connect this to adapter DC mobile charger. Now I am going to connect this DC socket here. You can see here. Done, it is connected now. The previous voltage was 3.51. Now I have connected to the charger. So now it's time to check the battery voltage here. You can see here 4 voltage is coming, 4.07. So I am checking now just to check the battery is charging or not. I have kept this for 5-10 minutes earlier and now it is charging. You can see now it is 4.09. Let's see what is the voltage once I remove the charging cable here. Now I am taking out this cable. I have taken out. You can see here. Let's see the voltage now. Previously it was 3.51. Now you can see the voltage is 3.73. That means the battery is charging. It is perfectly working. Now let me just close this radio and I will turn on the radio here as well. Alright, you can see now it is in its housing properly. Before closing, you can see now it is turned on. I will show you a small demo here by selecting FM here. Alright, now time is here almost 12 o'clock in the night. There are very few stations here. So you can see there is no batteries here, R20 batteries, and there is no cable connected, but still it is working like this. You can see now this radio has become rechargeable, which is wonderful. And once if the battery is full, you can connect this cable here and you can forget. There is no time limit. You can connect the charger cable here in the night and you can take out in the morning. No worries, nothing will happen to the radio or nor to the battery. The battery will get fully charged and the backup will be almost, I think, 5 to 10 days. It will come easily. Alright, that's it here. I'm closing the antenna here and putting the screws back. So 3000 mAh battery is too much for this radio, but still I have installed because there should not be a big problem of charging and discharging here. You no need to charge it regularly. You can charge this for once in a 15 days or 20 days also, even if you use in full volume. Alright, done. The radio is packed completely and it is working with the battery here as well. It's a rechargeable battery of 18650. Now no need to worry about these R20 batteries. Alright, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.